Hey skincare lovers, so welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about the reason why your skin is dry and how to fix it. Okay, if you are experiencing dry skin, your skin is flaky, your skin is very dry, you might be making some hydration mistake. So in today's video we're going to be talking about how to fix it. Let's jump right into it. So before we fix this problem of dry skin, let's talk about what might be the reason why your skin is dry, why your skin is dull. Okay, let's find the root cause before we now look for the solution. You get what I mean? So the first reason why you might be experiencing dry skin is because you're not drinking enough water. Hydration starts from the inside. You have to be taking enough water and enough fruits. I know for the most part, drinking water is not that easy. I don't know for anybody else, but for me, I don't find that to be fun. But how I keep myself on track is that I give myself the task of drinking at least 6 sachets of water in a day. I don't know if that's enough, but I think I try. Okay, so in the morning before I do anything, after prayer and stuff, I drink 1 sachet of water. Before I have my breakfast, or even if I'm not going to have breakfast, I still drink fast. I make it 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon, then 2 at night. Do you understand? So it makes it a lot easier. Another thing that you can incorporate that will also make you feel hydrated, that also help your skin, is eating a lot of fruits. You don't have to go about buying a lot of fruits and be stuffing yourself up with fruit just because you want your skin to look good. Like, when you want to get a fruit, get a fruit. But if you are not the type that gets the fruits every now and then, you can replace that with drinking a lot of water. So the key purpose here is to feel hydrated. Inside of the body doesn't know whether it's eating fruit or drinking water. They all want hydration. You get what I mean? So make sure you drink a lot of water because it's going to help your skin outwardly. Okay? Yeah. So the next one is using harsh cleansers and soap. There are some cleansers, soaps, body wash that you can use that can strip your skin from its natural oil, which is not what we are looking for. Could you believe that some people who doesn't have any skin concern at all can go and get face wash or body wash that contain glycolic acid and salicylic acid? Not that these chemicals are bad, but you have to know the reason why you are getting them. If you have no any skin concern, I don't think you have any business getting products that contain harsh chemicals. I see some people who also use, let me use this popular soap people know about, Kojisan soap. You don't have any skin concern at all, but you use Kojisan soap to shower every day. Are you being for real? No, you don't need that, because this is one product that can also dry your skin. Even for people who Kojisan soap are being recommended for, is being told how to use it. It's not an everyday soap. So make sure that your cleanser is not something that is going to rip your skin from its natural oil. Make sure that you're using products that are hydrating and moisturizing. You will see it written on the body boldly, except if you have a particular skin concern that you're treating that requires you to use some certain chemicals in your cleanser, then it will be recommended for you. But just don't go and pick any product you see from the shelf, all in the name of, okay, this is good or this might be good. It might cause damage to your skin. So guys, the next one is skipping moisturizer. Oh, there are some people that will come to my DM, they'll be like, oh, I have not used any product on my body for the past 3 months, for the past 4 months. I'll be like, you say what? How? So even if you have oily skin, skipping moisturizer can even make your skin to be more drier. Do you understand? So it is very important that you use a very good moisturizer. Whether you're oily skin, normal skin, dry skin, whatever skin type you think you have, you must use your moisturizer. Okay, you guys, this next one that I'm going to talk about is, it happened to me. Okay, that's one person that like using hot water. When you finish boiling water for showering, like smoke will be coming out of the water that you boil for bathing. That used to be me. Oh Lord, for the past more than 5 years now, hot water have not touched my skin. That can also break your skin barrier. See, if you are very serious about your skin, you see hot water, just run away from it, except if maybe you are in a country where you need to use it. I'm talking about people who are in Africa, right? So using hot water for your skin is going to break your skin barrier. Do you know that using hot water can even give you dark knuckles? Do you know? Some people doesn't know. Do you know using hot water again on your body, your face, can also give you sunburn? Do you know some people don't know that? So today I'm telling you, if you're the kind of person who uses hot water, you have to reduce. When I realized that hot water was one of the problem I was having, even till now, even warm water, lukewarm water, I don't use it on my skin, no matter what it is. So even if you must, maybe you can, look at using lukewarm water, but using that hot water that we all love, that will, strengthen your body properly. No, say no to it. It's something you can add to your routine if you are serious about your skin. So guys, the next one is not using the right products. Look, no matter how this might sound, it's always very important to ask a dermatologist, or maybe the person you get your skincare product from. It is very important for you to know the products that you use on your skin. Knowing the product that is good for your skin type is the key. Let's say, for example, if you're someone who have a normal skin and you're buying products that is for oily skin person, it's not going to work. It's going to work against you. Not the product is not a bad product, but it's just that you're using it wrongly. Okay, it's very important to come for recommendations. And again, let me use this opportunity to say this: some people come to my DM and ask for my recommendation. My recommendation is not for free. Do you understand? And again, it's also time consuming. Some people will come like, oh, I'm buying the product from you and you're still charging me. Yes, because sometimes you might spend your time talking to person, writing on WhatsApp, and having a conversation which product. At the end of the day, they will not get the product from me. I don't mind wherever you choose to get your product is fine, but if I'm to give you recommendation, you must pay me for it. Do you understand? I'm speaking, this thing I'm saying it from experience. Before now, I give product recommendation for free, and I have noticed that when I'm done giving you product recommendation for free, they go elsewhere to buy. You can buy anywhere you want, but you have to pay for my knowledge. Okay, now let me just tell you the simplest way on how to bring back your glow skin. Okay, look, I think I have mentioned this before. You have to hydrate your skin inside. You have to take a lot of water. You have to drink, not like you're going to go crazy drinking water, but make sure you are always hydrated. Do you understand? It's going to help that glow skin. I'm telling you. I don't know, maybe it's one of the things that help my skin. I don't know, from my own side, I see the benefit on my skin. Do you understand? Not that my skin is perfect though. It is not even near perfect, but for me it is perfect. My skin is okay. I won't tell you, oh, this is what I want more to achieve on my skin, or this is what I want less. Even though I know that there are some things that I would love to fix, but I'm just okay. Do you understand? So it's important to, drink a lot of water. Just be hydrated, okay? Yeah. So the next one is for you to use gentle cleanser, okay? Don't go for anything harsh, like I have mentioned, especially when you're not treating anything skin concern. Go for products that are moisturizing, hydrating. Is going to help your skin. Don't go for anything, because if you go for something like Kojisan soap, use it every day, of course it's going to dry your skin. I have experienced this before. There is this particular face wash that I use. Is for people with acne, okay? And I was like, okay, let me try this to see, maybe I'm going to turn this to my face wash. Lo and behold, I didn't even use up 1 week. What was 1 week? I think I used it for 2 days, and I was experiencing this dryness on my face. I'd be like, wait a minute, no, I'm not going to be using this. I had to give it out to someone with oily skin and acne. Do you understand? That's why it's important for you to know your the kind of skin you have. You get it? All right. So the next one is for you to pick the right moisturizer. Okay, look for moisturizers that contain hyaluronic, glycerin, shea butter, and ceramide. See what I use for my moisturizer on my face. This is what I use. I use Simple or Cosrx. Okay, I use any of these. For my body, this is what I use. This is cocoa butter. This is what I use in the morning. So yeah, you have to look for moisturizer that is going to shield your skin and not to break it apart. So the next one is, if you must use hot water, make sure the water is lukewarm. Don't make it so hot. Don't make it so hot. Do you understand? Make sure that the water is very lukewarm. Just everything I have listed, just put it into practice. Even if it's one person that gets this, it's going to make me happy. Okay, just try it. In fact, if possible, just stop hot water at all. Just try for 2 months. You must see difference in your skin. I'm telling you. And there you have it. So I have tried to walk you through on how to avoid having dry skin, or even if you do have, and how to heal it. So in the comment section, I would like you to tell me which one you're doing and which one you're not doing, whether you're going to stop using that hot water or you are still going to continue. I will see you in my next video. Bye.